You don't realize how much something like that really affects your life until you don't have to deal with that anymore. I had periodontal disease. It was hereditary, and my father lost all of his teeth when he was in his 20s, my grandmother in her 30s. So I just turned 60, so I managed to keep all of my teeth until recently. But I had been going in for periodontal treatment in McKinney. I had a fine smile. There was nothing really wrong with my smile. Most people would have never known that I was having any issues, but my teeth were in pain a lot. And just having to deal with that on a daily basis, you don't realize how much something like that really affects your life. And I told Dr. Bean, right after I had this procedure, I've always had this headache right in the very back of my head. And it's something I've always dealt with, and I've tried to put pillows and everything like that. Well, one of the biggest teeth problems I had was on my lower jaw in the back molars. And I don't have that headache anymore. You don't really think about it so much because you're dealing with it every single day, and you just kind of, you make accommodations for yourself when you're, don't chew on this side or don't chew on that side. And I didn't realize how much I did that. Meeting with Dr. Bean and his team, they're just wonderful. The whole staff there is just wonderful. I felt very much at ease. It helped me make my decision. When you go and you meet with somebody that's so passionate about what they do, it definitely made my decision. It made my decision much easier. I was completely terrified to do this. I mean, and I sat in the office that day to get this done, and I was terrified. I was terrified of being put under anesthesia. I was terrified of having my teeth taken out. I was terrified of everything. And once again, the staff was wonderful, and they reassured me and everything. I can tell you right now, I was terrified for no reason. I was surprised I didn't have any pain at all after having this done. I was afraid for no reason. And all of a sudden, it's just not there anymore. The pain that I had in the back of my head, because the jaw, everything's connected. Your teeth are connected to everything in your body, and all of a sudden it's not there anymore. And it did make me wonder, why did I wait so long? This is probably the best thing that I've ever done for myself, getting this taken care of, and being able, my husband always jokes with me, he's always telling me to flash that smile. And now I feel very comfortable doing that. It's not just about me, it's about my family.